Welcome back to West Coast Finest. Today, we're focusing on how flaxseed oil in our G&G hair growth, butter and oil stimulates hair growth and why it's such a key part of our formula. Flaxseed oil works wonders for promoting hair growth because it nourishes your scalp deeply. The omega-3s help to improve circulation, ensuring that your hair follicles get the nutrients they need to grow strong, healthy hair. This increased blood flow to the scalp can stimulate new hair growth, making it an excellent solution for anyone dealing with thinning or slow-growing hair. But that's not all. Flaxseed oil is also a great source of lignans, which are plant compounds that help reduce DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. By reducing DHT, flaxseed oil helps to keep your hair follicles active, encouraging them to produce new hair over time. By incorporating this ingredient into G&G hair growth butter and oil, we're giving your hair and scalp the perfect environment to thrive, helping you achieve fuller, thicker hair. Consistency is key when it comes to hair growth. Use G&G hair growth butter or oil regularly and let the flaxseed oil do its magic for long-lasting, noticeable results. Stronger hair, healthier edges, and real progress with alopecia? Well, you need to start with your scalp and start with our G&G hair growth products. Yes, our G&G hair growth products are made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with tea tree oil, flaxseed oil, argan oil, black seed and grapeseed oil. Yes, just to name a few. Our hair growth products stimulate your scalp, improves circulation, and heals weak follicles, especially in bald and thinning areas. So get your order in today for our G&G hair growth products because they really work.